Enter to win now at 101.com.
Every business deserves a great deal. That's why for a
I need
limited
gas
time,
too,
we're launching
so-
the Mobile Made Free event. With Comcast Business Internet,
And
new and
I'm gonna
existing
do some
customers
gas.
can get 1 year of unlimited mobile for free. Yep, you heard that right. An entire year, free. It's our best internet, powered by the next generation 10G network and with 99.9% reliability. Plus 1 line of free mobile
What's
for
going
a
on with
year.
this GPS?
The Mobile Made Free event is happening now.
Get started with internet and advanced security for $49.99 a month for 12 months with a 2-year agreement. Plus, for limited time only. Ask how new and existing customers can get a free line of unlimited mobile during the Mobile Made Free event. Call or
And
go
you got
online
car
today
wash
to learn more.
too, so.
Ends 9/21/2023. EcoBill and autopay required. New 50 megabits per second internet and security edge customers only. Equipment, taxes, and fees extra. Mobile offer requires 100 megabits per second internet package and new unlimited intra-mobile service. Other restrictions apply.
It's past Redwood. I think I know where.
This cardboard order is
Past,
today.
Camillus
Oh,
Recyclable Coffee Cup
29.
Factory can no longer be considered a grande.
Redesign. It's at the printer.
She needs more designers to jump the business to a triple shot.
Client wants to see several more design options. The logo's gotta be bigger.
Indeed can help her hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. Our hiring platform instantly connects you with quality candidates, and you can schedule and conduct virtual interviews right from the Indeed dashboard. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
What's up? I'm tired of feeling so bloated. That used to be me. Then I got this.
Align bloating relief plus food digestion. A probiotic, right?
Yeah, it works naturally with your gut to help soothe occasional bloating and gas. Plus, it has vitamin B12 to aid digestion by helping convert food to cellular energy. 2 benefits, 1 capsule.
Align Bloating Relief plus Food Digestion from the #1 doctor-recommended probiotic brand. Learn more at alignprobiotics.com.
Something big is visiting the Bay. Something heavier than 11 cable cars. 1,000,000 times older than the Golden Gate Bridge. Something that ate the daily equivalent of 500 Mission-style veggie burritos. See the world's largest dinosaurs. A new exhibit at the California Academy of Sciences. With life-size models and more. Get tickets at calacademy.org.
Settle down, class. You're up.
My fellow students, for today's show and tell, I present to you my bow. It's made with glass and an array of precious metals I can't pronounce. It's powered by Xfinity Mobile, so it's fast. Anyway, with Xfinity Mobile, we save hundreds of dollars a year.
Oh,
It's
I
like being in a Cedar Club that's open to everyone, like Netflix or robotics. Love for savings. Now, if you all take a handout,
Colin, what are these?
I'm quizzing the class on the material.
Xfinity Mobile is the fastest mobile service with 5G cellular and millions of Wi-Fi hotspots. Switch and save hundreds a year with the best price for 2 lines of unlimited. Just $30 a line a month. Visit Xfinity.com/fastestmobile to learn more. Restrictions apply. Xfinity Unlimited Internet Service and Xfinity Internet required. For lowest price 5G plans of top 3 carriers. Taxes and fees extra. Reduced speeds after 20 gigabytes of usage. Data thresholds may vary.
It's Marcus. You've heard me talk about the Upside app and how it just, gives you cash back for doing the stuff you're already doing. You're already buying gas. I know you're hungry, so
Thanks
they got
right there,
restaurants that are
but I
giving you
can't
cash back.
access it
They
from
have grocery
here.
stores that are giving you cash back, and it's super simple to get at your cash too. You can cash out at any time. And when you download it from the App
Okay.
Store or Google Play, you don't even have to put in a
that's
credit card. You
from
can upload
that
receipts.
side.
In fact,
What?
when you do download it, use my
This is
code
stupid.
STAR, and you get an extra 25 cents or more
Oh, wait.
off your first fill-up, okay?
Ah,
The code
right
again
here.
is STAR. So go download the Upside app. There
Yeah,
are
I
over
can do
50,000
that.
retailers. We're talking gas stations, grocery stores, and there's a map, okay? You're going to see a map. You're going to go right there. It'll give you directions to the establishment, and you get your cash back just
There
like
we
that.
go.
It's so super simple.
Damn, I
$1
work
million
right now.
cash back is being earned by users
Such
every
a
single week.
weird
Jump
way to
in there.
get
Get
in.
your money. I know you need extra money for bills.
Mm.
This is the Bay. Go download the Upside app from the App Store or Google Play and use that code STAR. Check out.
The best podcast listening experience is on
Okay, stop.